Personal assistants, your AI helpers at home. Voice-powered AI assistants have become household staples, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. These digital helpers use advanced natural language processing to understand spoken commands and carry out tasks, from setting reminders to controlling smart home devices. With just a simple voice command, you can ask for the weather, play your favorite song, or even order groceries. What makes these assistants so valuable is their ability to learn and improve over time. They collect data from your previous interactions, allowing them to offer more personalized recommendations. Whether it's suggesting content based on your listening history or reminding you to complete tasks based on your calendar, AI assistants are getting smarter every day. As more devices integrate with AI-powered assistants, the Internet of Things ecosystem is growing rapidly. Smart speakers, smart lights, smart thermostats, and even smart refrigerators can be controlled with a single voice command, creating a seamless and interconnected home experience. Whether you're adjusting your thermostat from your phone while on vacation or turning off the lights without getting out of bed, AI is simplifying your home life one task at a time.